Everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the 5 features I always use when editing using Wondershare Filmora. The first one is to do with audio. So what I like to do is go to audio tab here and then select auto normalization. I already have a video that's added to the timeline, and if you press auto normalization, what it does is adjust the audio so that it's at a correct level. I've already created a video relating to this, so I'll put a link in the description, so you might want to watch that video as well. So that's the first feature, auto normalization. Then the second feature is using the Mosaic feature. So if you go to effects here, then go to mine, I've already tagged it in, but you can also search for it in the effects, and it's the Mosaic. This one here, what I use this feature for is just say blurring a specific section of the video. As you can see here, is blurred, and if you're like wanting to hide your password or specific text or specific like a face or something like that, you might want to use this to hide it. You can change the blur amount, so if you want to make it really blurry so you can't really see, then you can just change this setting. And if you want to make it more, have the opacity, just increase it. So I like to set it to this amount. You can't really see the text here, so as you can see, my passport, you can't really see that text. The next one, using one of the stickers. So the sticker that I always use, and I add it at the end of the video, is the subscription one. So if you want to tell people to subscribe to your channel, this is the one I use. So if you go here, let's play that, and yep, it's got the subscribe here. That's the other one I like to use. Now the fourth one is using the thumbnails. So there is a way to create the thumbnails within Wondershare Filmora. So when you go to export and you select here edit for thumbnail, you can create a specific thumbnail based on the video and the timeline on the video. So if you want to take a specific snapshot, let's say I want to take a snapshot of this, I'll put this timeline here and then hit edit. You can add one of these templates. For example, just say if you want to do a how-to, select this one, this template, you'll download it, and then you'll see here that it will update how to play. And you can modify this text if you wanted to. You can also add your own text as well, and then all you need to do is save it. And then you can add this at the beginning of the video as well, or when you export it, it will save it as an image file where you can add it to your thumbnail on YouTube, and then you just press export and then you'll save it. And finally, the last one, if you go to media, select here. I like to do sometimes my own voiceover. Just say if I've created a video on my digital camera and the audio quality is not the best, I'll just use this record voiceover and use the microphone that I'm using, and then just add that into the video. So it will be a lot clearer and the quality will be a lot better as well. So those are the 5 things that I use on pretty much every time I edit a video in Wondershare Filmora. And so check out those 5 features that I use, and if this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.